All right, we've got the suspension all tied back together. Still have the spring compressor on the spring of the third gen. The question was asked, how are you going to get that spring compressor out of there? Okay, I've got the impact on the nut for the spring compressor, and I'm going to hit the unwind button. It's going to get loud here for a second. Let's see what happens. Here we go. Whoops, that's the wrong way, I think. Loosen. There, that's loosened. Yeah, lefty loosey. Here we go. So there we go. This thing loose now. Let's see if I can shake it out of there. Just going to try to unwind the bolt all the way out. There it goes. Have to bolt out this guy. Now, there's one part of it. And come out of there. Let's see here, what do we need to do? Almost got it. There it is. Voila. Rest of it. Okay, well, spring compressor's out of there. I didn't drop the car on me. Haven't destroyed anything that I can speak of yet. Got the strut and everything in. That's pretty cool. Still got to reattach the brake, reattach the tie rod, but torque down these big ass bolts. I don't know if you can see them. These guys, they still need full torquing, but so far so good.